Right guys, we're back again. We're just taking a little shelter off the rain. It's about 8:30 on a bad Blackpool night.
Is that number 3? Yeah. Where does that go there? That way though? Yeah. Down there, yeah.
We can have a walk down Talbot Road. Yeah, so it's a real bad night again. So we're making our way down Talbot Road. Just carry on walking, I'm absolutely piss wet through. Excuse the French. Usually where I can put it. So we'll make our way back to Central Drive. See if I can make it there without snapping the umbrella. You've got to have the brolly up because otherwise the rain will go all over the lens. Yeah, so the weather, an absolute joke. An absolute joke. That's where we've just come from. I wonder if it's deserted in Blackpool tonight. They're probably still up. Try and get some shade. Junk. Right, it's fun. That's probably parked there because of all the disturbances they've had. Yeah, because since the weekend they've had a few protests and what have you. So I think the police are just keeping a low key on things. Yeah, so I'm walking back down Bankgate Street. This wind's trying to get me, Cal. Trying to get me. It's trying to get me, folks. Yeah, so I think the police, they're going to have the vans parked here, there and everywhere, just as a precaution. Where this wind is coming from. Oh my God. What a joke. So made it back to the McDonald's anyway. Guys, care of yourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're back here at Central Drive. That was a quick round town in a gale. That was just the camera getting knocked then by the umbrella. It's that windy, it's unbelievable. Right guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye for now.